Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back for another video. In today's video, let's take a look at FLR and see where we can land with a price target for the 2024-2025 bull run. But before we dive on into this is not financial advice. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research. I am not a financial advisor. And while I appreciate that so many of you are hopping in here from all over the place, you've got to hit that subscribe button. I make price target videos every day at 6 a.m. Eastern time. I am trying as much as possible to keep up with this rapidly evolving crypto space. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification button as well. But without further ado, let's go ahead and dive on into this. So we have FLR. FLR is a newer cryptocurrency, a newer layer one, newer meaning that it was created in 2023, early 2023. Not surprising looking at the price action, seeing it go down to a bear market bottom until October of 2023. And then since then, it's done about a 5x, got as high up as a 6 or 7x from its bear market bottom. So pretty good return so far. But there's a couple things we need to look at here. I mean, volume is on the lower side for something that's number 70 in market cap. You can see circulating supply 36 billion. Total supply, 100 billion, max supply not mentioned here. I do believe that the max supply based on my research is around 100 billion, but I'm not entirely sure. That's based off of some things with vesting, and there was some confusion with mining, what that looks like, but 100 billion max, we're not getting anywhere near that this bull run. You can see that it has already been pretty inflationary. It's not too much of a surprise seeing that level of inflation, because again, look at the price. We're right back to its launch day price, but then market cap is well beyond its all-time high. That's going to happen with vesting releases, with mining rewards, with different things like that, with airdrops, things like that. And so FLR is doing what newer cryptocurrencies typically do, which is show an increase in its market cap price, but not much of an increase in its regular price, its coin price. So we got to keep that in mind, and we have to do a lot of research here. We need to figure out what's going on with FLR. I do want to say it is a little bit confusing because they've got a couple things going on here. First, you can see their vesting releases, and you can see the day that I'm making this video, we are right here at about 35 billion, which let me check again. That's 36 billion is the circulating supply. And then by the end of 2024, what that's going to look like is closer to 50 to 55 billion. And so, yeah, actually over here where my mouse is 55 billion, but that's not all that there is, because you can see vesting schedule peaks here in 2026 at 80 billion, but there is a 100 billion max supply. And so we can see here that mining and incentives are not quite included in everything that we're seeing with vesting. So mining is 10% of circulating supply in year one, 7% per year of circulated year two, and then 5% per year of circulated year three. And then incentives, the lesser 3% of circulation at 10% of the cross-chain incentive pool per month. So what this means is by 2025, the circulating supply is going to be a little bit higher than what we're seeing on the vesting chart. And it is what it is. It's one of those things you got to take, you have to take into consideration inflation moving forward. And so with other cryptocurrencies, you may not have to worry about that. With some cryptocurrencies, you have to worry about that a lot worse than what we're looking at with FLR. But FLR does have some pretty heavy inflation in these first few years of its existence before it starts to level off a little bit. And so when we factor that in mind, here is my estimate for around the time that I would expect all the crypto markets to peak, that we would have a 66.85 billion token circulating supply. Current market cap dominance is about 0.06%. I'm estimating a 0.11% market cap dominance, assuming a 7 trillion total one market cap. That gives us a market cap of 7.7 billion, which is about a 5x from where we are today with FLR's market cap. But then you divide that by the inflating supply, it gives us a price of 11.5 cents per FLR token. And so I'm not quite as bullish on this as I am on other cryptocurrencies, but we are already at a point where Bitcoin has crossed its 2021 all-time high. And so what can we expect for FLR moving forward is maybe a 3x in its price. And a lot of that does have to do with tokenomics. It is what it is. So that's where I'm landing, 11.5 cents for FLR. I don't own this. I don't intend on owning this, but it's on the list and I wanted to give some thoughts on it. 11.5 cents. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section of this video. Do you think that's too conservative? Do you think even that that's too high, a $7.7 billion market cap? I don't know. I think most people would think that this is conservative. I am willing to live with that reality, but let me know your thoughts in the comment section of this video. And otherwise, I will most certainly be seeing you in another video. Peace.